how to cut without a tape. When you are cutting without a tape, what you need to do is, for demonstration purposes, you press the brush like this. You press it, you can see my line is coming out straight there. So when I go in, I check my paint face, then I come in, I'm painting here, I press it harder, then it releases the paint from inside. Most of the people, when they are painting with a brush without tape, they paint like this. It doesn't work, you always miss. But when you are using the inside brush, so you press it a little bit harder, you move it like this. It leaves a very straight line, and you don't have to come back again. See, so you come back, you do like this. Yes, let's see how nice it is already. Then once that's done, then now you just take a roller. It's easy, and you put second coat on the corners. Once you're done, you put the second coat. Done the job.